Right, so we just finished a print on clean glass. No prittstick, no magic goo, no nothing other than just clean glass. 70 degrees initial layer, and then down to 40. This is PLA, by the way. It's now cooled down, so it is actually completely cool. I'm not going to just see how easy or difficult it is to get rid of or get the prints up. We've got a couple of implements here, the Ender 3 official spatula and the Stanley scraper. Not very high-tech stuff, but we'll try to... Oh my goodness me, right, okay, that came off extremely easily. So as we can see here, nice clean surface, still probably needs to do a little bit on the old layer height thickness, and I did use a brim to get a bit of extra stick on the plate, but yeah, I mean I had a conversation with somebody in between this finishing, so it's been left on the bed now for well 3/4 of an hour, which probably isn't what I normally would do, but it's going to take a little bit of cleanup, but I'm happy with that print. That is PLA, I said. It feels good, it feels solid, and the way that came off was just amazeballs. That's a technical term, by the way. Yeah, very happy. Super clean glass. Wiped it with a little bit of methylated spirits, and it stuck all the way. I've leveled the bed to the nth degree. The only thing I'm not happy about is the size of these bulldog clips, so I'm gonna try to find some in between of that size and this size. These are way too small because they're just not grabbing the glass. The mouth of the clip is not big enough. This is a little bit too big, I think. Still holds it in place, but yeah, clean glass, and Bob's your uncle.